Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2009 Toyota Rav4, stock number 6438. This ran from 11th 2005 to 11th 2012. It has a 2AZ FE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2AZ FE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door 1 dent. Left rear door 3 dents. Left rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door 1 dent. Right front door mirror. Right front 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory singed exterior, front interior mirror, front courtesy lock sunglass holder, front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,